What did you see yesterday?
Actually, we were at Popokaji, the island that I said right now. We said we were there and we saw an empty jet ski moving into the sea. As we were there, no.
Before you continue the story, what were you doing there, please?
Pardon?
What were you doing there?
Please, I'm a worker there.
Okay.
We normally work there on weekends.
Okay, all right. So you can continue the story once it's again.
So we were there and we saw an empty jet ski, and we rushed on the jet ski, and we found no one's on it, and we said, this jet ski, by all means, I know it contains someone. Okay. So, and the people that we went with, they told us, oh nah, it's just an empty jet ski. So we.
All right. Was it one or two?
Please,
the jet ski.
It was only one.
It was only one.
Yes.
Okay. And what else did you gather after that?
As we saw the jet ski, we took it home and we saw a sticker on the jet ski. Oh,
so you took the jet ski home? I thought it belonged to the Aqua Safari.
Nah, we were on different island. That's why. So we saw a sticker on a jet ski. So we traced the.
What was on it?
Aqua Safari.
Okay.
With a number JBO16 on it.
Okay. All right.
So we called. We know someone there. Then we called the person and we asked him that we have found one of their jet skis. So they should check whether it's one of them or. And he told us no, their jet ski is not missing. So. And we told them that now they should ask their manager. Then he went to ask their manager. Then the manager called us and we asked him that we found a missing jet ski on the sea. So we don't know who contained. And he told us with which number. And we told him, oh, it's JBO16. So this jet ski, you should check for us whether who took the jet ski out. And he said, okay, we should wait for about 1 minute. And he checked on the receipt and told us it's Castro. Immediately he told us no. Then as a friend of mine told me, then he's gone that. Then we called them. They should bring his boys to us so that we check whether we can find him. Or as we were there, no. Then they came with 3 jet skis and 1 speedboat. So they came and our boss told us we should go join them and help them.
So you went with the speedboats?
Okay. We should join them. So we spread. Someone went to Maranatha Beach Resort Camp. We said we don't know whether he parked the jet ski and watching this thing or. So as we went there, then we told him that he should go and check, because I know we are sure that the jet ski, he may park it because there's no key on it as we found it. And they went and they came back with speed and they told us he's not been found. And we searched for everywhere.
Are you a diver? Can you swim?
No, please, I can't tell you that I can swim or I can't, because but when it reaches normal, I can do my best on it.
Alright, we'll come back to this.
From BTA, I born Sao means I came and jamba. Rest of man come back. I can't cafe. I can't cafe. Obana me no yo me.